So now I would like to invite Radha Akhade to express her golden words.
Today we are assembled here for the program of Maharashtra Day and the Labour Day. So on the honor of the hard work, physical work of the labor, the laborers doesn't have the respect, but though they are having their self-respect, and the laborers are working for the 8 hours, the law made by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, that to work for the 8 hours and they will get fulfilled and happy family. The needs will be completed and his family will be good at all. And on the law, it is known as the Antarrashtriya Kamgar Divas. So why the laborers are labor? He asked the question. The laborers because of unemployment, less wages, and the owner is owner because of the positive thinking. The positive thinking of the owner is that if he is able or not, but though he is working, means he is hoping that I can do this. He is always having a positive mindset and thinking that he can do everything, and he had to do that. Today I would like to tell you one quote. God sells us all the things. God sells us all the things at the price of labor. At the price of labor, and without labor nothing is prosper. अपने हौसलों पे बल पर हम हैं, अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम हैं, अपनी प्रतिभा देखो और भले कोई मंच ना दे हमको, लेकिन हम अपना मंच बना लेंगे। जैसे प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे वैसे ही हम अपना मंच बना लेंगे। Thank you Radha for your wonderful speech.
दाना खिलाया हमको इनके खेतों में नहीं है पानी। दाना खिलाया हमको इनके खेतों में नहीं है पानी। देख के उनकी जिंदगानी मेरे आँखों में आता पानी। देख के उनकी जिंदगानी मेरे आँखों में आता पानी। I would like to call Sampada Brahme to express her views.
Hello and good morning everyone, one and all present over here. Myself Sampada Brahme, and today I would like to tell you a brief history that why we celebrate Labour's Day. In India, Labour's Day was started celebrating in 1923, but the story was started in 1886. It was because of an incident happened in America. The labor unions of America were gathered together and decided that they would not work for more than 8 hours. With this demand, they started a strike. And at that same time, there was a bomb blast in America's Chicago's Haymarket, in which lots of laborers were killed and some was injured. And this created anger among the whole world. And because of this incident, in all countries of the world, this type of demand was started. And in the meantime, the resolution was passed in the meeting of International Socialist Conference, in which it was announced that 1 May would be celebrated as International Labour's Day. And if we talk about the problems of labor, then one person may have thousands of problems. Laborers as well as owners both have problems. But the thing is that their thinking is different. 99% of people consider small problem as a big problem. They always think about other. But those 1% people who never think about other, they never get happy in small things. Even if a person get profit of 1 crore, he will not get happy. He will think that how can I make this profit of 2 crore, 3 crore. So here is the big difference between the mentality of laborers and owners. And it is the big reason for laborers to live their whole life as a laborer. And at last, I would like to tell you a quote of Albert Einstein. The world as we have created, it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful words. आगे बढ़ना है तो बहारे बन जाओ, आगे बढ़ना है तो बहारे बन जाओ, ऊपर उठना है तो हवाओं से टकराओ, और आपको लगे कि आप हार गए तो एक बार इन मजदूरों की तरफ देख के बताओ, एक बार इन मजदूरों की तरफ देख के बताओ. Now I will invite Mansi Borkar to express her views.
Good morning to all of you present here, honorable guests and chief guest and my dear friends. My name is Mansi Borkar. I am student of Pandile Sir English speaking personality development classes. Let's celebrate the labor. Let's celebrate the labor that built up this great land from field to field to decks to decks. They build it hand in hand. In every field there is the importance of labor. In every field there is the importance of labor in such way that is factories, businessmen, in farm building, etc. In such way labors are important in every field. In early years agriculture was having more importance. Labor Day is seen to praise the difficult work commitments of the workers in country development. अमीरी में अक्सर अमीर अपने सुकून को खोता है, अमीरी में अक्सर अमीर अपने सुकून को खोता है, मजदूर खा के सूखी रोटी बड़े आराम से सोता है, बड़े आराम से सोता है. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Parth Pustekar to express his views.
Good morning everyone, respected Vandile sir, honorable chief guest and my dear friends. I am Parth Pustekar. I am a student of Vandile sir English speaking and personality development class. Labor is a very important in our country because labor contribution our Indian economy is up to 80%. But work today's laborers face many problems like unemployment rate, overtime, less salary. The big problem is unemployment. India's unemployment rate is 9%, and the total total 50 million person are unemployed. I would like to end my speech with beautiful lines. अगर आप अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी में सुखी और सफल रहना चाहते हैं तो आप ज़िंदगी में मेहनत करते रहे. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth, for expressing your views. Now I would like to invite Kushal Thelang to express his views.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Kushal Thelang. I am a student of Vandile sir English coaching classes or personality development. Today I am presenting a speech on Labor Day. During the entire year of Indian development process, the labor is a key factor of tributing, building and enabling the growth of basic and heavy industries, which is turned into instrument and strengthening of India in infrastructure. In 1889, the International Society designed May 1 as a worker day or a labor day to commemorate a Haymarket incident. Chennai was the first site of which celebrate the Labor Day in 1932. The government produced arrangement the houses for laborers in 2023. Thank you. Now I am ending my speech on few words. उसकी गैर मजदूरी में मंजिल हमेशा दूर है, उसकी गैर मजदूरी में हमेशा मंजिल दूर है, जो आपके ख्वाबों को पूरा करे वही मजदूर है.
Thank you, Kushal, for your wonderful speech.